Happy Mother's Day, moms of Southeast Texas. Feliz Dia de la Madre. Thanks for always putting up with us crazy kids. Well, the rest of your Mother's Day forecast, it looks like no rain out there, increasing cloudiness. We will remain in the 80s, at least until 9 p.m. Temps fall into the mid 70s under a light breeze, about 5 to 15 mile-per-hour winds coming in from the south. Temperatures right now about 90 up towards Kirbyville, 88 in Jasper, 91 over towards Woodville, and about 86 degrees in Beaumont right now under mostly sunny skies. And that moisture has set in place. Dew point still in the low 70s, so very sticky out there. You combine those warm temperatures and that high humidity over the area. Heat indices will make it feel like the middle and upper 90s. We did reach the triple digits for those heat indices today, so it was fairly warm out there. We didn't break any records though. We were close this morning with that 75 degrees. Warmest low is 76 set back in 2015, and we were just 2 degrees off from that 92 set back in 2018. But don't worry, we still have a chance to break some of those records as we head into this week. So Wednesday and Thursday, we could be reaching that 93 degrees that was set back in 1916, so it might be put at risk. So Christiana, why the heck is it so warm out this early in the season? It's all because of a high pressure system that is going to really set in place over the Lone Star State. So you see this deep ridge of high pressure over Texas. It's going to do the opposite of what our low pressure systems are doing off towards our east and the west coast. So low pressure systems usually pull moisture up into the clouds. That produces some showers, and then you get that cooler type temperatures, cooler weather. High pressure, because it's moving clockwise, all of that moisture and that warmth is digging into the surface, so that means we're going to see unseasonably warm temperatures for the next 14 days. That's high probability, about 5-10 degrees above average, and that means moisture is going to be really high as well. It's going to be sticky, icky out there tomorrow. Free sauna. You step outside, you're going to be sweating. That's how it's going to be for the next 5 days, at least until next weekend, and that high pressure is going to cut out those rain chances. We are 9 inches below our average rainfall, so we did get a little bit of rain last week, but mainly up towards the lakes area. Y'all have been getting all of it, so you need to come share that love with the Triangle, because look at this. Severe drought for Orange and Jefferson counties, extreme drought near those coastal areas, so we do need a little bit of rainfall. That's bad news for us the next 7 days, because we're not going to be getting any. So how do we beat the heat? Make sure you look before you lock. Make sure no kids or pets are in your cars. Keep hydrated throughout the day. Wear your light colored and loose fitting clothing. And then you also want to take plenty of breaks. If you can go inside to cool off in the AC, I would advise that you do that. Out on the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow, choppy seas 2 to 4 feet, mostly sunny skies out there. There will be a small craft advisory in effect. Southeast winds 10 to 15 knots with our high tide at 12:33 p.m. And look at those coastal waters. They're warming up as well as we head into June. That's the start of hurricane season. So we are forecasting lots of hurricanes this year. We'll talk more about that when it gets closer to that time. Patchy fog as we head into the overnight hours. Temperatures are going to be low and mid 70s. And for Monday's forecast, hot and humid, stay cool out there. Temperatures are going to feel like the triple digits, even though we are in the low 90s. 90s for much of the next 7 days, mostly sunny skies out there. And we are going to be near record highs Wednesday through at least Friday. Next weekend, we are going to cool down just a bit in the low 90s, but it's still going to be hot and humid out there.
Absolutely scorching lately, and it's not going away anytime soon.
Pool weather, that's the good part about it, right?
I think every week I come back from a game, I get a little bit darker.
Right,
the sun is absolutely cooking me.
Yeah, I mean, it's good for like when I go out for runs and stuff like that, because you sweat so much.
Yeah.
But when you're outside, like I said, it's really
hydrated.
important to stay hydrated.
Yeah.
Wear light colored clothing.
Sunscreen.
So, and sunscreen.
You need the sunscreen.
I didn't see, Patrick is really.
He's always saying that.
Yeah, he's always saying that. He's really like big on skincare.
Yeah,
he
it's
says the
huge.
humidity
That's a good
helps.
thing.
Yeah, he says the humidity helps with your face, no pimples. But then he says always wear your sunscreen when it's sunny, like the next 7 days are going to be.
Absolutely. I'm sure there's plenty of sunscreen out there at the baseball field today.